Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the DPI settings on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the iCUE. So this is the Corsair's app, and the app is one of the best apps that you can customize your mouse in. So we're gonna click on the mouse right here. Now we are in the settings of our mouse. What are we gonna do here is we're gonna go over into DPI, and here we have all of the DPI stages. So as you guys can see, we are on the stage 3 right now, and here we can customize it. As you guys can see, I can put it up to 26,000 and it works. So I barely move the mouse and the cursor is just going insane. So that's how I know that it works. Of course, we can change it back to 800. We can also put our sorry, not 800, but let's say 1200. We can put it like this, and of course, as you guys can see, we can change the stages by pressing on our mouse. So now we are on stage 3, and we also got the sniper. So if we ever just want to snipe somebody, we can also do that. And of course, we can also customize it all. So as you guys can see, now I've boosted the DPI. I'm moving my mouse a little and it's going crazy. So that's how we know that our DPI changes work. Of course, if you want to just go back to default, you can put all of those values here, or you can click reset to default. Now it will be back. And that's how you guys can easily change your DPI settings on your mouse. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.